Looking for the best 4K drones in 2025? In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 best 4K drones available on AliExpress that offer high-quality video recording, stable flight, and advanced features at affordable prices. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these drones are perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Number 1. FIMI Mini 3 Pro. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful drone, the FIMI Mini 3 Pro might be exactly what you need. This lightweight drone weighs just 245 grams, making it easy to carry and perfect for travel. Despite its small size, it packs some impressive features. The built-in 4K camera with a 12MP sensor delivers crisp, high-resolution footage. Plus, the 3-axis gimbal ensures super smooth and stable shots, even in windy conditions up to 30 km per hour. You get a reliable connection with both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequencies, and the 10-channel remote gives you precise control. GPS support makes navigation a breeze, and you can control it via the app or the included remote control. While it doesn't have optical zoom or FPV, the camera quality and stability more than make up for it. The FIMI Mini 3 Pro is perfect for hobbyists and content creators alike. If you want a lightweight, high-performance drone with 4K video and solid stability, this is the one to grab. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS. Looking for a high-performance drone that delivers stunning footage and smart features? Meet the Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS, a foldable, professional-grade quadcopter packed with cutting-edge tech. This drone features an impressive 8K camera that captures ultra-crisp detail, along with optical, gimbal, and electronic image stabilization, so your shots stay smooth even when the wind picks up. It's equipped with a complete omnidirectional sensing system for forward, backward, lateral, upward, and downward obstacle avoidance, making it super easy to fly without crashes. With a 30-minute max flight time and a 3000 mAh removable battery, you'll have plenty of time to capture that perfect shot. The drone supports FPV operation and connects via Wi-Fi, remote control, or the app, available in multiple languages. The Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS is ideal for both beginners and pros. Smooth flight, sharp video, and smart obstacle avoidance, this drone has it all. Check the link in the description for more details. Number 3. L200 Pro Max. Looking for a high-performance drone without breaking the bank? Meet the L200 Pro Max, a sleek and powerful 4K drone that's packed with features. The built-in 4K UHD camera with a 2-axis gimbal ensures smooth, stable footage, even in windy conditions, thanks to its level 5 anti-wind ability. You'll get crystal clear shots whether you're capturing landscapes or action shots. With a brushless motor, the L200 Pro Max offers a quiet yet powerful flight experience. It has a flight time of 23 to 25 minutes and a range of up to 3,000 meters, that's impressive for a drone in this class. Plus, the 360 degrees obstacle avoidance keeps it safe from crashes, even in tricky environments. The L200 Pro Max is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Smooth controls, stunning 4K video, and long-range capability, all in a lightweight, ready-to-go package. If you want a reliable, high-quality drone, this one's a winner. Check the link in the description to learn more. Number 4. SG109 Pro Max. Looking for a professional drone without the hefty price tag? Meet the SG109 Pro Max, a lightweight yet powerful camera drone that delivers impressive 4K footage. Weighing just 196 grams, it's easy to carry and perfect for travel. The built-in 4K HD camera with a 1/5.8-inch sensor captures sharp, high-quality video. Plus, with GPS support and FPV operation, you can enjoy real-time video streaming directly to the 5.9-inch remote control screen, no phone needed. With a flight time of 22 minutes and a control range of up to 2,000 meters, you get plenty of freedom to explore the skies. The removable battery makes it easy to extend your flying sessions. While the max wind resistance is under 10 km per hour, the stable flight control keeps your footage smooth. For its size and price, the SG109 Pro Max delivers excellent value with 4K video, GPS, and FPV streaming. If you're ready to elevate your aerial shots, this is the drone to get. Check the link in the description to learn more. Number 5. U198 Max Pro. Looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use drone with professional features? Meet the U198 Max Pro, a compact yet powerful GPS drone with obstacle avoidance and automatic return. Weighing just 150 grams, it's super portable and easy to carry anywhere. The built-in 1080p HD camera with a 1/3.0-inch sensor captures clear and detailed footage. Plus, With GPS support and automatic return, you'll never have to worry about losing it mid-flight. The obstacle avoidance system helps prevent crashes, making it beginner-friendly. You get an impressive 28 minutes of flight time on a single charge, more than enough to capture epic shots. The 2.4 GHz operating frequency ensures a stable connection, and the app controller makes it easy to navigate. For a lightweight drone with HD video, GPS, and obstacle avoidance, the U198 Max Pro is a solid choice. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Check the link in the description to learn more. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.